Good afternoon. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is 5:08 p.m. on Friday, March 21st. So we're doing a little bit different today. Afternoon, I got out of the bookstore a little early and I did the drawing this morning. We are starting volume 2 coloring book while I still process the farm critters. So we are doing ocean critters this time, and be about the same amount of pages, about 30, 31 pages throughout the coloring book. And I decided to start off with the Dolphin with this one. So don't know whether that'll be the first picture in the coloring book, but that's the first one I started off with. I haven't drawn very many sea creatures, so this will be interesting to see how I do. The Dolphin, I think, came out pretty well. There's going to be a lot of curves in the ocean artwork, I'm imagining, just because of the way sea critters are. And curves are kind of my nemesis, so we'll see how that goes. I am glad I have this trusty little device with curves. I need to see if I can find any others with different ones on them, because I think I'm going to need it. So that pack is linked in my description, and for the whole pack it was pretty cheap. Art is actually fairly cheap, even buying the better pencils and pens. They last a long time and there's not a lot of money into it. I go to Hobby Lobby, and usually their art stuff is about 50% off or 40% off most of the time. Stock up during Christmas time or before Thanksgiving. They have some additional sales. Don't quote me on that. I'm just saying what I've seen. So the Dolphin, I got it penciled in and it went really fast. I decided to keep my son going along in it, put some motion waves, and I gave it a nice, happy little smile. All my animals are happy. Don't matter whether they're land or sea. It's just the way I picture animals having no stress in their normal, natural environment. This one I think would be really neat to color. I'll have my daughters do some coloring and see what they think on it and see how they like it. So we're about to the end here. This is the number 1 of this playlist. So if you like it, follow along, leave some comments, and here's my final drawing. Have a great day.